how to delete Snapchat groups. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete groups on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete a certain group on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply open up the Snapchat application here. And then let's say that there is a certain group that you are an admin of, and then you would like to delete that group. So for that, first of all, you have to go to the group name where you find group members. First of all, you have to remove everyone from this group. So when you remove everyone from this group, you're the only group member left over here, right? Now to delete this group, after you remove everyone, you just have to leave the group yourself. So you can tap the three dots option and then just tap on the leave group option. Tap on leave. Once you remove everybody from the group and once you leave the group yourself, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete, and that group will get automatically deleted. This way you can delete groups on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.